Well, so this is question number 6 from motion into dimension. Actually, I've given this as a question. This should be a part of theory, okay? Like motion into dimension में हम लोग जो basic concept भी किए थे, वो भी एक sum के जैसे ही किए थे. So this chapter is actually more about application and less about knowing. मतलब जो जानना है हम लोग को सब कुछ पता है, लेकिन उसको अप्लाई करके कैसे सम्स को सॉल्व किया जाता है वो ठीक है. So now question number 6, it says that two projectiles are projected with the same initial velocity u, but angles of projection are complementary. That is, for first one the angle is theta, or another one the angle is 90 degree minus theta. So that they have equal range. So first tell me what is the formula for range? R is equal to sin square. Right. So case 1, initial velocity is equal to u and angle of projection is equal to theta. So obviously range will be how much? Is equal to u square sin to theta by g, and case 2 is initial velocity remains same, but angle of projection cos theta is 90 degree minus theta. So what is the range? Range will be u square sine of 180 degree minus 2 theta. You understand why? Because 2 of theta now. So 2 of theta means इसका भी twice हो जाएगा. तो इसका twice हो जाएगा means 90 into 2 is 180 degree minus theta by whole divided by g. Now you know sine of 180 degree minus theta is in the second quadrant and it is 180 degrees, 90 degrees, even multiple. So it will remain the sine. Now this will become r equal to u square sine to theta by g. Hence the range are same for complementary angles of projection. Complementary angles of projection. Of projection. Just one out quickly. So see, question number 6. What is happening? They are saying that if we want to visualize it at a certain angle of projection and at complementary angle of projection, you get the same range. So if this angle is theta, this angle is 90 degree minus theta. So you get the same range. Value of range is same. Now question number 8 says, 7 says, in the previous problem, if the maximum height reached is h dash and h. So say this range is h and this height, maximum height is h dash. Right, range the same. So in these two cases, they are saying that prove that h by h dash will be tan square. So how do you go for that? कैसे प्रूव करेंगे हम लोग? Question number 7. Now what is the formula for h? Tell me. Case 1. H equal to u square sine square theta by 2g, right? And case 2, h dash will be u square sine square 90 degree minus theta by 2g. Right? For 90 degree minus theta also. So sine square 90 degree minus sine of 90 degree minus theta is now minus that. Cos that. So this will be u square cos square theta by 2g. So if I mark this as equation 1 and mark this as equation 2, then just dividing 1 by 2. Dividing 1 by 2. What do we get? H by h dash, and on the right hand side everything is same, cancels off. सिर्फ बचेगा क्या? sin square theta by tan square cos square theta. That means h by h dash is equal to tan square theta. H by H dash equal to tan square theta. Alright? They are also saying that R should be equal to 4 root over of H dash. So let's find out 4 root over of H dash. This first part done. Second part, 4 root over of H dash is equal to 4 root over of H is what? U square sin square theta by 2g, and H dash is U square cos square theta by 2g. Right? I just said this. কেন করতে পারবো না? সব জায়গায় করতে পারি, পৃথিবীর সব জায়গায় করতে পারি, যে কোনো একটা দিক থেকে অন্য দিকে যেতে পারলেই হয়। সো ইউ স্কয়ার সাইন স্কয়ার তাহলে একটা ইউ স্কয়ার বাইরে যাবে, রাইট? একটা সাইন থিটা বাইরে যাবে, একটা কস থিটা বাইরে যাবে, তাই তো? বাই এখানেও 2g স্কয়ার হচ্ছে, 2g বাইরে যাবে, তাহলে একটা 2 ক্যান্সেল হলো। ইউ হ্যাভ ইউ স্কয়ার from sin theta cos theta is sin theta, which is the and RHS से यदि उल्टो में थोड़े जाओ तुम उल्टो बार একটা নিয়ে এসে কোন ঢোকাও না তো এই একই ব্যাপার মাথায় মানে একটা সিম্পল থেকে কমপ্লিকেটেড জিনিস আনতে ডিফিকাল্ট, কমপ্লিকেটেড থেকে সিম্পল করাটা ইজি actually. Therefore R is equal to 4 root over of H dash. Done. And what about the third part? Easy. We can just add the equations 1 and 2 up. Adding 1 and 2. Yes. Adding 1 and 2. 1 and 2 add करने की होगा. If I add up 1 and 2, H plus H dash will be. देखो U square by 2g we can take common. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is so U square sin square theta by 2g plus U square cos square theta by 2g. So we can take U square by 2g common. Sin square theta plus cos square theta will be 1. So that is U square by 2g. হ্যাঁ এইগুলো করতে পারতাম তাই তো? হ্যাঁ মানে বাড়িতে করতে পারতাম কিন্তু গাউনি না তার দাগ লিখি একটা রিজন আছে, এগুলো আমার একটু রেকর্ডিং দরকার ছিল মানে পরে যাতে সবাই দেখতে পায় আমি রেকর্ডিং করছি। বাকিগুলো নিউমেরিক্যালস গুলো করতে পারবে, এটা বেসিক্যালি থিওরিটিক্যাল কোশ্চেনস। So whatever we are learning in these few sums, this has to be remembered as formula. So this is one formula, H by H dash equal to tan square theta. This is another formula, R is equal to 4 root over of H dash, and this is another formula, H plus H dash equal to U square by H dash. Any complementary? Right. The heights for the maximum heights for the complementary angles of relation. Maximum heights for the complementary angles of relation. In the previous problem with the time of flights at T and B dash. So this was regarding H. Question number 7 done everyone? Jaldi. Next वाला sums बनाओ बस. सब हो गया. बाकी जो नहीं हुआ है वो ट्राई कर दे जिससे. Question number कोटा. Question number 8. So 8 says that in the previous problem, if the time of flights are T and T dash, that means so the time of flight for this part be T and the time of flight for this part be T dash. Then show that T by T dash equal to tan. So you know case 1, time of flight T is equal to what is the formula? So use anti right. And case 2, time of flight T dash will be 2u sin of 90 degree minus theta by g. So sin of 90 degree minus theta is okay. 2u plus theta by g. So all you need to do is what? Find out T by T dash. Therefore T by T dash is equal to dividing these two. So 2u sin theta by 2u sin theta by सब cancel हो जाएगा. सिर्फ क्या बचेगा? Sin theta by cos theta, which is equal to tan theta. First part and second part over here. Second over here. T dash. T dash will be what? 2u sin theta by g into u sin theta by u cos theta by u sin theta by g. তার মানে আমরা 2 রেখে দিলাম আর একটা u স্কয়ার করলাম আর 2 sin theta cos theta ফর্মুলা লিখলাম by g স্কয়ার. So that will be sin theta cos theta sin theta, তাহলে 2u স্কয়ার sin theta by g what? হ্যাঁ g স্কয়ার, হ্যাঁ g স্কয়ার, রাইট. আগে g into g g into g আছে কি বলেছো? তাহলে u স্কয়ার sin theta by g হচ্ছে কত? This is the range. This will be 2r by u square sin theta by g is range. Right? U square sin square. So these are like some standard formula. You might use this. This will be very useful for MCQs. All the chapters you are doing, as the chapters goes up one by one, you should have a copy where you write down all the formula. Make a formula book. So what happens? In general, if you get any formula book from anywhere, they will not give you all situations. In the other book, they will. They are both